Here's what I have for trade. I'm going to trade up, trade down, trade wherever you got. I'm taking offers. I got a Heroes 3 Plus. I'll turn it on so you can see it comes on. Okay? I'll record so you can see it records. Okay? You'll see this recording on there when you get it. Okay? Turn it off. It comes with this case. Okay, the latch works. Comes with this case, which it basically just sits in and latches at the top like that. Okay, extra battery, and this aluminum case that sits in, which has a mount for a microphone or a flash or whatever you want to put in it. It takes regular GoPro mounts. It holds in with that screw and that rubber pad. So you get, turn it back off. You get all that. You don't get any mounts. You don't get any other brackets. You don't get anything. I'll turn this on so you can see it comes on. Yeah, I will turn it on and show you that it works. There we go. Oh, you gotta have this on. Gotta find it. Here, hold on. I bought a brand new Hero 7. Give it a minute. All right, this is a remote using it. Okay. Going through the modes. Turning it off. All right. Turn it totally off now. We gotta turn the Wi-Fi off. Okay. But anyways, I'm looking for an anytone radio, maybe 666. Any kind of small radio with sideband. I don't know. You know, just kind of hit me up. You know, I'll put my email address in with this in the bottom bar and the below, and just let me know what you got. And you will get the charger for this. This thing takes any USB to mini USB to charge it. Goes right in that side pocket there. So anybody's got a cord for that, or if I can find one, I'll send it with it.